So I have been getting a ton of questions about why you should use a custom keyboard and what makes them different from a regular keyboard. And the answer is pretty simple. It's not really that big of a difference. Honestly, they both do the same thing. They both type. But first of all, custom keyboards sound freaking awesome. I mean, just listen to this really quick. And another really big thing about customizing your own keyboard is you get to customize it. You get to put what parts are inside, which I think is pretty cool. And at the end of the day, it's a tool that you use every single day. And since you're using it every single day, why not put a little bit of effort into making it the best tool for you possible? I mean, also showing your friends a really custom keyboard that costs a few $100s is kind of a flex, not gonna lie. Also, I got a new shirt. It's an X-Men shirt. I kind of like it. It's pretty cool.